TRKS is a tool for creating sample drum patches for devices made by Teenage Engineering. The three devices that are supported right now is OP-1, OP-1 Field, and OP-Z because of the similar architecture in the file structure that they have. When you open the tool, you get this help overlay that will guide you through using the tool for the first time. You can close it at any time and then recall it if you need it back by pressing this information button. I had some files loaded, but I cleared them out, and I will take you through the app step by step. So to go with the tutorial, you can just click next, and it will just show you what to do and highlight the areas with. So first thing you do is you select your device. The difference is that OP-1 Field has a longer sample length, which is 20 seconds, and OP-Z and OP-1 is limited to 12 seconds per patch. So I will select OP-1 because this is what I have. Go on to the next step. Here you could use this button plus to add files to your library. Alternatively, you can just drop your files directly in the file library section, cycle through them. You can preview them by using the controls on audio source control panel.
I need a weapon. Get to the chopper!
And we're going to go to the next step where you will be selecting chunks of the audio source and dropping them into the canvas that you later will be transferring to your device. You can zoom in on the audio source by using your mouse scroll wheel or using these buttons on the bottom. Browse by using this scroll bar. To select part of the audio that you would like to use, you click and drag on your audio file. You can preview it by hitting play. You can also loop it and edit the end and beginning fields while it's looping to hear the difference and adjust the length. So let's do that. Once you're happy with it, you can hit this green button to drop it to your canvas. And so here we go, we have your first sample chunk. Now we will repeat this, filling up the entire canvas. You can select multiple areas in one file. And then switching to another file. So I'm just going through and filling up my canvas.
Break the wrist, walk away. Walk away. Walk away.
Again, you can always hide the help and get back to it by pressing information button. So I'm just going to quickly fill it up here. Finally, the app will limit the time, so on your last sample, you will stop selecting to fill up the tail end of the sample patch. So we'll drop that. Few things you could do afterwards. You can reverse some of the samples. So, for example, to preview them, you hit play.
I need a weapon.
You can reverse it, and it will bake it into their final output. So let's reverse a few just for fun. And finally, you will switch to Assign Device Keys tab, where you will be assigning the keys to the device that you have. So here we have a graphic representation of whatever you have, and the keys are clickable. You will click either on the sample first and then on the key to assign, or vice versa. You can also click on the sample chunks library here on the left. To clear the key, you select the key and you hit this delete button. You can preview the samples by selecting it and hitting play.
Get to the chopper!
And once you're done, you hit the export button right here, and it will output the file that you then will transfer to your device via USB in a disk mode. I've outlined some of the ways to transfer here. You can select through devices and see workflow slightly different. Or you can look it up on YouTube or Teenage Engineering website for specific instructions. Enjoy. Don't forget to support me. You can click here and buy me some coffee. Thank you.